Good evening, Momsers. Tonight, July 28, I will be performing squat thrust. Squat thrust must be done in 4 moderate counts with 200 good repetitions. Starting position. Move. 1, 2, snap. Mas kumain cadets, command. Commence exercise. 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 6, 1, 2, 3, 7, 1, 2, 3, 8, 1, 2, 3, 9, 1, 2, 3, 10, 1, 2, 3, 11, 1, 2, 3, 12, 1, 2, 3, 13, 1, 2, 3, 14, 1, 2, 3, 16, 1, 2, 3, 17, 1, 2, 3, 18, 1, 2, 3, 19, 1, 2, 3, 20, 1, 2, 3, 21, 1, 2, 3, 22, 1, 2, 3, 23, 1, 2, 3, 24, 1, 2, 3, 25, 1, 2, 3, 26, 1, 2, 3, 27, 1, 2, 3, 28, 1, 2, 3, 29, 1, 2, 3, 30, 1, 2, 3, 31, 1, 2, 3, 32, 1, 2, 3, 33, 1, 2, 3, 34, 1, 2, 3, 35, 1, 2, 3, 36, 1, 2, 3, 35, 1, 2, 3, 36, 1, 2, 3, 37, 1, 2, 3, 38, 1, 2, 3, 39, 1, 2, 3, 40, 1, 2, 3, 41, 1, 2, 3, 42, 1, 2, 3, 43, 1, 2, 3, 44, 1, 2, 3, 45, 1, 2, 3, 46, 1, 2, 3, 47, 1, 2, 3, 48, 1, 2, 3, 49, 1, 2, ready, hold. Position of attention. Move. 1, 2, stop. Buga muna tayo. Pero bago yan, pause ko muna. Now let us continue counting in number 50, 51. Starting position. Move. 1, 2, snap. In cadence exercise. 1, 2, 3, 51. 1, 2, 3, 52. 1, 2, 3, 53. 1, 2, 3, 54. 1, 2, 3, 55. 1, 2, 3, 56. 1, 2, 3, 57. 1, 2, 3, 58. 1, 2, 3, 59. 1, 2, 3, 60. 1, 2, 3, 61. 1, 2, 3, 62. 1, 2, 3, 64. 163. 1, 2, 3, 64. 1, 2, 3, 65. 1, 2, 3, 66. 1, 2, 3, 67. 1, 2, 3, 68. 1, 2, 3, 69. 1, 2, 3, 70. 1, 2, 3, 71. 1, 2, 3, 72. 1, 2, 3, 73. 1, 2, 3, 74. 1, 2, 3, 75. 1, 2, 3, 76. 1, 2, 3, 77. 1, 2, 3, 78. 1, 2, 3, 79. 1, 2, 3, 80. 1, 2, 3, 81. 1, 2, 3, 82. 1, 2, 3, 83. 1, 2, 3, 84. 1, 2, 3, 85. 1, 2, 3, 86. 1, 2, 3, 87. 1, 2, 3, 88. 1, 2, 3, 89. 1, 2, 3, 90. 1, 2, 3, 91. 1, 2, 3, 92. 1, 2, 3, 93. 1, 2, 3, 95, 94. 1, 2, 3, 95. 1, 2, 3, 96. 1, 2, 3, 97. 1, 2, 3, 98. 1, 2, 3, 99. 1, 2, ready, hold. Position of attention. Move. 1, 2, snap. Buga muna tayo. Pero bago yan, pause ko muna. Move.